In this demo, you are going to see how you can use Striim to continuously move data from Oracle and Microsoft SQL Server to Azure Synapse Analytics. We will show you how to use our intuitive UI to build data flows, perform an initial load of data from Oracle and SQL Server into Azure Synapse Analytics, then make changes and use change data capture from Oracle and SQL Server to deliver real-time change into Azure Synapse Analytics, all while performing continuous monitoring of the cloud migration solution. The first data flow is going to perform an initial load of 1 million rows each from Oracle and SQL Server into Azure Synapse Analytics. The sources are configured to read from line item tables, with the data being delivered into separate tables in Azure Synapse Analytics. You can see that these tables are initially empty. When the flow is started, data begins to move from the sources to the target. You can monitor the progress in the UI. Once the data transfer is complete, all the rows have been moved, as you can see from the Azure Synapse Analytics UI. Now we're going to use a second data flow to capture changes from Oracle and SQL Server and deliver them in real time to Azure Synapse Analytics. In this case, both sources are going to be written to the same target table. You can see that this table is initially empty. Now we will run data generators for Oracle and SQL Server that creates a set of inserts, updates and deletes in both databases. You can see the data in the data flow preview window and view the rate of data collection and delivery in the UI. After a number of operations have been generated, we can check back with the Azure Synapse Analytics UI and see the data in the target table. We can also use the Striim Monitor UI to look at overall metrics and drill down to see the application stats and detailed information for each of the application components. This has been a quick demo of using Striim to deliver data continuously from Oracle and SQL Server to Azure Synapse Analytics. Please go to our website to try Striim for yourself, find Striim in the Azure Marketplace, or contact us to learn more.